Hello everyone, my name is Deepti Parmar. I am working as a nursing tutor in Knowledge Institute of Nursing, Anand. Today we will see about the IUD. It is the continuation of the temporary family planning method which we were seen in the last video. Now the IUD is a small plastic or copper device. Okay, so from which thing the IUD is made of? So it contains the plastic and copper device and placed inside the woman's uterus. IUD mainly placed inside the uterus, then by the healthcare provider. Okay, IUD can be placed or inserted through the trained personnel. Okay, none of any health personnel who don't know how it can be inserted, they can't insert it. Okay, so healthcare provider who know about. Okay, so it must be the trained healthcare provider. Some IUDs release small amount of progestin. IUDs may be left in place for 5 to 10 years depending on the device used. Okay, so IUD mainly working capacity of IUD is up to 5 to 10 years. Okay, so IUD may be left in place for 5 to 10 years. A woman who using the IUD, that she can use the IUD for 5 to 10 years. IUD can be placed at almost any time. IUDs are safe and work well. Fewer than 1 out of 100 women per year will get pregnant using an IUDs. Then next, you can see different type of IUD generation. You can see in the pictures that A, B, C, D. There are different type of IUD intrauterine devices. Just see cut section of the uterus. Intrauterine devices are molded plastic devices, some containing copper, which disrupt the normal uterine environment. Okay, you can see this is the IUD intrauterine devices. Okay, copper T. So this is the copper wire and this is the string. Okay, uh, the function of this string is to assess that the IUD is proper in place, and if you want to remove it, then you can remove by strings. Okay, easily you can remove by strings. That's why these strings are used. And you can see this is the uterus and the IUD is placed in the uterus. Then next is the birth control pills. In that, some birth control methods are methods use hormones. They will have either both an estrogen and a progestin or a progestin alone. You need a prescription for most hormonal birth control method. Okay, birth control as per the name, birth control pills means the pills which helps into controlling the birth. Okay, so birth control pills contains the hormonal. Okay, mainly so hormones which controls the birth, they are including in the birth control pills like estrogen and progestin. Some birth control pills contains both estrogen and progestin, and some contains only and only progestin. Then you need a prescription. Okay, without any prescription you can't get the birth control pills. Both hormones prevent a woman's ovary from releasing an egg during her cycle. Okay, so which is the function of that hormones which contains in the pill? So the hormone mainly working on the ovaries. Okay, so they prevent the ovary from releasing an egg. Okay, so main function of that hormone is on the ovary, so they prevent the releasing of egg during her cycle. They do this by affecting the level of other hormones the body makes. Okay, there are so many hormones which also function as a releasing of egg. So the hormones which are contains in the birth control pills, they mainly also affecting the level of that hormones also, by which they prevent the releasing of eggs. Then progestin help prevent sperm from making their way to eggs. by making mucus around a woman's cervix thick and sticky. Okay, so the second function of this, the progestin mainly uh, produce the one layer in around the cervix, so that layer is thick and sticky. So because of that, the egg cannot be enter into the cervix. So there are mainly two function of that birth control pills. Then combined pills. In that, the pill work in a several way to prevent pregnancy. The pill suppresses ovulation so that an egg is not released from the ovaries and changes the cervical mucus, causing it to become thicker and making it more difficult for sperm to swim into the womb. The pill also does not allow the lining of the womb to develop enough to receive and nurture a fertilized egg. Okay, so combined pill also work as a birth control pills. Okay, so its function is also same as the birth control pills. It also uh, prevent the ovaries to release the eggs. Okay, and it also making one layer around the cervix, so and the layer is very thicker, so because of that the sperm cannot be swim into the womb. And the third function of this pills, it does not allow the lining of womb to develop enough to receive and nurture a fertilized egg. Okay, this is the third function of this pills, that it does not provide that environment which nurtures the fertilized egg. So because of that the egg is don't fertilize that time. Then this method of birth control offers no protection against sexually transmitted disease. It not provide any protection of sexual transmitted disease. Then you can see this is Mala D and Mala N. These all are including in the oral pills. Then this is combined estrogen pills and progestin only pills. Implant prevent the pituitary gland release of hormones that stimulate ovulation. When to start, then how to take. Okay, as you can see, if you see the packet of that medicine Mala N or Mala D, so on that packet you just they indicate one arrow that from when to you have to start and from when you have to stop that medication. Okay, so easily you can understand that thing when you should. Okay, this all suggestion you can get from that health personnel. Then emergency contraceptive, in that within 72 hours unwanted 72 IPL and EPIL. This also include the in the pills. Okay, emergency contraception, this work into this pills are work or into the 72 hours. Okay, within 7